day everyone! Tara at i-congratulate at i-welcome natin yung ating mobile cart negosyante at yung ating pinakabagong branch dito sa KRT Surigao del Sur.
Mona Lisa is a milk tea and iced coffee lover. That's why she's interested of doing business. In fact, January, February of last year, she requested me to look for a place because she's interested of putting a milk tea shop. But the cost of rental is too high and you do some construction pa, it's very expensive. On Motocart concept, flexible ang selling hours in a different locations. That's the advantage of Motocart concept. I will definitely recommend KRT because of that Motocart concept.
At kung sa tingin mo, maganda ang location mo at gusto mong magsimula ng mobile cart negosyo na kung saan ikaw na mismo yung pupunta sa customers mo at wala kang renta na binabayaran, i-message mo lang ang aming page dahil open kami for franchise. At meron din kaming free masterclass para matutunan mo paano magsimula at paano mag-operate ng successful mobile cart negosyo.